Now let's work on problem 5.11.4. You find this problem in the chapter 5, the forces chapter. So, here we're talking about a box resting on a table. I will draw it, a box resting on a table. What I know is that the mass of the box is 6 kilograms. I also know that I'm pushing down on the box with a force of 8 newtons. So the force by hand equals to negative 8 newtons because it's downwards. And I will draw that. So there is a force by my hand on the box. And it's 8 newtons downwards. What is the magnitude of the normal force of the table on the block? So, what is the normal force? That's the question. So, I'll take a look at my figure and I will write all the forces and draw all the forces on the box. So, apart from the force of my hand on the box, there must be another force, the force caused by gravity, which is the weight of the box. Okay, I will fix them in a minute to make them organized and pretty. Other than the weight, what else do we have? We have the force of the table on the box, which we call the normal force. So these are the three forces. They're all vertical. Two of them are pointing downwards, and one of them is pointing upwards. We don't know the magnitudes of these forces, so we don't need to worry about them, which is larger and which one is smaller right now. So, I want to find one of them. The best way is to think of Newton's laws. This box is at rest, which means it applies to Newton's first law, and I can say that according to Newton's first law, the net force on the box is 0. So I substitute. What forces do we have on the box? We have the normal force, we have the force by my hand, and we have the weight. That's all. So all the forces are equal to 0. Normal force is what we want to find. It stays as a variable. Force by the hand, I got it. It's negative 8 newtons. And the weight, we don't have it, but we can easily find it. Because I know that W is equal to mg, which means that W is equal to 6 multiplied by negative 9.8. Okay? So W is equal to, I will use my calculator, and the weight of the box is 58.8 newtons. I've just organized my paper a little bit, and now I can substitute. So, negative 8, pardon me, I forgot, Fn, here we go, that's better, minus 8 minus 58.8 is equal to 0, which means Fn is equal to 58.8 plus 8 newtons, and the answer is 66.8 newtons. I take a look at it. It is positive, makes sense because it's upwards. I used also 3 significant figures, makes sense. So this will be my final answer.